to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. I'm so grateful for all your support. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this big hair don't care look, and hope you guys are going to love this video. I do not want to talk too much, and without no further ado, let's get to the video.
Batman, me and my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me.
Guys, this video is going to be quite educative for anyone who doesn't know how to crochet. So if you don't know how to do crochet braids, I think this is going to work for you. And if you have been doing crochet braids for some time, then you are going to be an expert like me. Yeah, I want to prep my hair before we start this tutorial. I feel like I'm all choked up in here.
Feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman, me and my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written.
Remi. This is how the packaging looks. This is the unlimited performance Remi Express, heat resistant, curling and flat iron safe. Yes, this ombre braid.
See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a.
So guys, at the back I did the normal crochet method that I always do, but I'll also be showing you guys how to do the double-sided illusion method at the front. So meanwhile, if you really don't know how to do the other method, the other normal crochet method, this is how it's done, and you can just take a look at this. If it's a bit fast for you, you can just rewind and watch it again so that you can understand, because this double-sided method, illusion method, is quite complex and you have to get the other one to be able to get this one easily. Okay, then I was detangling the hair into 2 pieces or 3 pieces because I wanted to have a shaggy look, shaggy bulky hair look. That is what I was going for. This is why I detangled my hair like this. But if you want your curls to be more defined, you can detangle, I think, once and not twice, once and not twice, or rather don't even detangle. But I like it when I have curls that are kind of visible and not visible. They look like they're kind of combed and not combed at the same time. That is what I like. So for the double-sided look, so I feel like it's going to be hard for me to explain how to do the double-sided illusion method, but I have slowed this process down for you guys to be able to see how it's done, because I've tried explaining quite a few times and I feel like I cannot do this, but it's something visual. And the best thing about this method of doing your crochet braids, it makes your braids look more natural on the roots. Like, both sides look very natural. If you want to flip your hair on this side or the other side, they are both going to look natural if you use this method. This is why I used the method at the front, because I want my front to look as natural as possible.
Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can come near YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we your bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman, me and my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me.
So we are through with the crochet braids, and just look at how natural it looks at the front. You can't even see the knots at the front. Whoa. So I'm going to prep this hair because it's very big and long, so I want to trim it a little bit to my liking. So first of all, I'm going to be spraying some water mixed with conditioner, then use this curling custard to revive my curls because it looked too combed. But if you want the curls to pop a little bit, this is what I do. This is what you can do. Spray some water mixed with conditioner, then you can use your curling custard or anything that makes your curls pop. You can use that on your hair to bring the curls back to life. So after that, we want to make the front look natural. Like I have posted a video on my Instagram and everyone was like, what wig is that? I had like 5 people asking what wig is that, and I'm like, these are crochet braids. Like, this is not a wig. So if you want your crochet braids to look like you are putting on a melted lace, make sure you use this method. So this is a razor. I'm going to back comb the hair at the front with the razor, then I'm going to take a comb and back comb again. So after doing this method, I sprayed the Go To Big look because I wanted the front part to look lifted. I don't know how to explain it, but you can see the difference on this side that I'm working on and the other one that is not worked on. So I wanted to have the lifted look, and that is why I sprayed the Go To Big glue, then back combed again. You can see how it looks. Wow guys, so natural. It looks so perfect and amazing.
Man a bad man, you can come new IB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we your bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. In at the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. In at the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings, bad man me and my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man I really complex, them man them I really can't test me.
So this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys have learned something new from this video. And this is a new technique I decided to try, and I really love it because it makes your hair look very natural. Like, you guys can't even tell I have crochet braids. I know one of you is going to be like, is that lace over there? But anyway, so if you want to get this big hair don't care look, you can get the braids from Natural Kenya, and I used a total of 3 packs. Only 3 packs. You can imagine, just 3 packs and you get this look. So far so good. I'm loving the look. You guys know I love this big hair don't care looks, and I just love the vibe and everything. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more videos on how I am going to be slaying this look. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more videos like this. I have like 5 other methods on how to do these crochet braids, and I'd really love to share with you guys everything that I know. So give me a thumbs up if you want me to do another video. Give me a like. You can comment down below if you want to know more about different crochet hair methods. And yeah, I think this is the end of this video. I think I've explained everything as the video was going on. So until our next video guys, bye.